heater.
This is Jim and Jane's wood boat. It's amazing.
Bilge pump,
How long is that, Jim?
26
26 footer.
by, I believe the beam is 9 feet. It was built in 1969. And it was supposedly owned by the original mayor, not the original, but Richard Daley, the mayor of Chicago.
Richard Daly. I bet you Jimmy Hoffa's been on this boat.
Pardon me?
I bet you Jimmy Hoffa's been on this boat.
Oh, if it could talk, it could tell a few stories.
This is crazy.
Isn't this neat? Let me show you the engine.
Oh my.
It was rebuilt 3 years ago.
What is it?
A 350.
350.
Ford Cruiser.
And you got this for how much?
$8,000.
God.
I've been told it's worth 25.
Oh yeah, easy. 40.
You know, overseas, Holland, those folks go crazy over these boats.
This is
They'll
beautiful.
pay 10 grand to ship them.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Isn't this something?
Jim Clements, you guys see this? John,
Did you get the name? His Honor. Here's the name.
Jill, share this with your son.
His Honor.
Here's the name, His Honor.
In memory of. And here's the ice maker.
Gosh.
Everything works. I don't know if you got the sink.
That's amazing. Well done, Jim Healy.
Every once in a while we get lucky.
Look at that.
Even the instruments, like, look at the condition of the instruments.
What year is this again?
1969.
69. What is that up there? Is that the engine?
This
Yeah.
is the this is
Throttle?
the throttle. This is actually, I'm sorry. This is the throttle,
Okay.
and this is your gear: forward, neutral, reverse.
Okay.
It's got a stereo and a CD player, and this is the ship to shore. And it's got a depth finder built in right here.
Pretty crazy.
Yep.
I love it.